Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make the garden party bag. Firstly, let's start with the bottom part. We are going to sew 4 straight lines here individually. Each of the straight line will take 4.5 times of the sewing distance, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and half. Okay, here is total thread length for sewing this straight line. Now we need 2 ends of the thread to be fixed with 2 needles. Next step, we will attach the leather strap onto the body part by connecting with this straight line. Thread length for sewing this straight line will take 4.5 times of the sewing distance. Next step, we are going to attach the handle small leather patch onto the square sewing part here. Thread length for sewing this square part will take the same distance that I showed here. Okay, next step we will move on to the handle part by sewing 8 straight lines here on the body part. Each of the straight line will take 4.5 times of the sewing distance. Next step, we will attach two leather straps on the side part. Sweat length for this side part will take 4.5 times of the sewing distance. Okay, next step, we'll attach two body parts together. Sweat length for sewing this part also takes 4.5 times. Now we are going to sew the bottom part. We will attach these two leather strips onto the bottom part here by sewing this square part. Sweat length for sewing this part takes 4 times of the sewing distance. After finish the body part, we are going to sew the top circle. So the sweat length for sew this top circle will take 4 times of the sewing distance. Now we have finished the body part. After attaching the shoulder strap, we have finished the garden party bag. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this DIY process.